So cooks, I just got home from work and I'm starving. I want to make something quick and easy, and I want to see how fast that we can get something done in the Euhomy Air Fryer. This is a large air fryer. We did a previous video on this where we did some roasted red potatoes with bell peppers and onions. I have some leftover bell peppers and onions, and now we need something quick and easy as well. I've been at work all day. I'm tired. I'm going to make a sausage sandwich with bell peppers and onions on that in this air fryer. It's going to be quick, easy, and fantastic. So join me as we use the Euhomy Air Fryer to make a sausage sandwich with bell peppers and onions. Okay, so I'm gonna take our basket out of the air fryer, and I previously cut up some onions. It's basically quarter slice and cut in quarter slices. I also have some strips of onion and bell pepper. One of the great things is if you want fast dinners for your air fryer and you love onions and bell peppers, go ahead and on the weekends just get a couple, chop them, dice them, slice them, however you want to. These I've had in the refrigerator since yesterday, but you can throw these in the freezer and or keep them in the refrigerator for a couple days, and then they're available and they make for really quick dinners. So on one side, I'm going to put our bell peppers and onions. I like a lot. And I've got some green and red. Woo, these are strong. Oh my gosh. Looks delicious already. Oil sprayer. Just going to give them a quick couple spritz. I think this sprayer gives like a quarter teaspoon or something like that every spritz. This is an Evo sprayer. I'll put a link to that down in the description. I'm also going to put a little salt on there. We can re-salt and pepper these when they're done. I just want to give them a little initial fun. Might give them a little bit more salt. Papaya. That's what's great about the air fryer. You can cook these in only a couple little spritz worth of oil. It's fantastic. Okay, so we got our onions and bell peppers. You can get these types of sausages at your local grocery store. I love this chicken hardwood smoked sausage, but these come in a lot of different types: kielbasa, pork, beef, turkey, whatever you like, whatever's your favorite, just grab a package of those. I cut them to the length of my bun, which I kind of have a big bun. And just that easy, we're ready to rock and roll. So we're going to turn on the cooker, and look at the beautiful display. This has got like one of the nicest displays I've ever seen on an air fryer. Has a lot of presets. We're just going to go 390. We're going to go about 15 minutes. About halfway through, I'm going to turn the sausages around and flip them around and stir up the bell peppers and onions. But like in 15 minutes, we're gonna have dinner. So our sausages and peppers and onions are done. I did stir them up a little bit about halfway through. They took about 15 minutes, and they look outstanding. Our sausages, look at them, and our bell peppers and onions are nicely cooked. Oh my gosh! So let's get this out of here, and then we'll put our buns in. So guys, look at that. That is amazing. I'm like 15 minutes and we got dinner, right? I'm gonna go ahead. I've got some little hoagie buns here. I'm going to go ahead and put them in here. I just want to toast these a little bit. This will take just a few minutes and we'll be ready to make our sausage. So it's only been about a minute or two. So I just want my bun lightly toasted, and that is where we are at. Let me grab this platter and we can get these buns out of here. I probably don't even need that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo! Nice. Beautiful. So let me move this cooker and we'll assemble our sausage sandwiches. So we have our bread here ready to go. I'm gonna put on mine, I'm just gonna put some mayonnaise. Yum. A lot of mayonnaise. And on Eric's, he's gonna get mayonnaise. Eric likes a little mustard on his, so I'm gonna put a little Dijon on there for him. And now the star of the show, right? Here's our sausages. Wow. And we got some bell pepper and onion here. Right? That looks amazing. Amazing. Wow. That looks delicious. I think it's time for a taste. Okay, so we're ready to take a taste. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab mine, put it on this plate, and that looks amazing, guys. Amazing. 15 minutes, toast the bun, we have dinner. Really, 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 really good. I think I'm gonna cut mine because, you know, I just don't want to eat it like that. Put a little onion on here. Yum. Absolutely fantastic. Messy, but fantastic. The bell peppers and onions are cooked perfectly. They're nice and like softened, but they still have a little bit of crunch to them, which I really like. Yeah, nice and sweet. Buns toasted perfectly for me. And the sausage is delicious. Fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. The Euhomy Air Fryer gets my thumbs up. We've used it twice now, and it's great. It's large, it's roomy, and I could have cooked a lot more than I did. It was just for me and Eric, but I could have cooked more than what I did. I could put 2 more of these things in there and cook enough for 4 people. Put this with some chips, some potato salad, or when you're assembling the sandwiches, you can throw some French fries in there and make a fabulous, fabulous meal. Really, really good. I would say this air fryer was A all the way. I love the menu. Love the size. It's a great air fryer. If you'd like to take a look at it, links will be down in the description. Thank you once again for sending this. I really appreciate it. It does a great job. If you like this video, please subscribe below. Leave me a comment and a like, and visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. I'm also on social media at Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook. On Facebook, come join my group, facebook.com/groups/Amy Learns to Cook. And on Instagram, I'm at Cooking with Amy.